So one of the experiences that we have on offer that I'm really excited about is the food tours. The cuisine in Pakistan is absolutely unparalleled to many countries. And what you'll appreciate when you come to Pakistan is that the cuisine from Punjab to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to Gilgit-Baltistan is of great variety with lots of different spices. So right now I'm in Hunza, I'm at the Moksha Resort, and I'm joined by the founders, Saira and Faiz, and I'm going to hand it over to Saira and Faiz to tell you about kind of what the food tour entails with them and why you should come along and bring your children to experience this for yourself. So Faiz and Saira, please tell us your story. What does the food experience entail?
Hello, welcome to Moksha Resort. We are doing a chef and food tour with collaboration. The chef and food tour is doing a food experience with the collaboration of Moksha Resort. So we are here to give experience to the people who come from abroad or the local Pakistani tourists.
What's the specialty dish of Hunza and what do you then? So in today's experience, what are we going to get to make?
We are making local soup that's called moch dawdo in Burshati in central Hunza, but moch in Goja. So we will make all of us will make that, and then I'm making the spinach, the local spinach, which is made with a kind of pasta. The pasta is made by ourselves, and even the vegetables, the spinach, we grow it in our garden organically. So, and then we will have a dessert. That's kind of pancake. Yeah, it's called giral. It's served with a mulberry sauce and apricot oil. So we'll be doing like 4 items today.
Welcome to Moksha Resort.